Day One versus Apple Journal. Which journal app is better? Choosing the right journal app can completely change how you capture memories and organize thoughts without losing simplicity or security. Both apps offer unique features for journaling. Day One and Apple Journal are two popular journaling apps designed to help you record your life. The core difference lies in Day One's deep feature set and cross-platform support, while Apple Journal focuses on seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. Day One is a powerful journaling app available on iOS, macOS, and Android, designed for users who want a rich, feature-packed experience. It works by allowing users to create entries with photos, audio, video, and rich text formatting. Day One also supports automatic metadata like location, weather, and timestamps to enrich each entry. Its strengths include robust organization tools such as tags, multiple journals, and powerful search capabilities. It offers end-to-end encryption for privacy and syncs seamlessly across devices using its own cloud service. However, Day One requires a subscription for full access, which may not suit casual users. The app is ideal for those who want a comprehensive journaling tool with multimedia support and advanced organization, especially if you use multiple platforms and want your journal accessible anytime. Apple Journal is a native journaling app built exclusively for Apple devices, including iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It integrates tightly with iCloud, making syncing effortless for users fully invested in the Apple ecosystem. The app offers a clean, minimalist interface focused on quick, distraction-free journaling. It supports rich text, photos, and simple organization through folders and tags. Apple Journal's strengths include seamless integration with Apple's system features like Siri, Spotlight Search, and system-wide privacy protections. It leverages Apple's native encryption and security, giving users peace of mind. However, it lacks some advanced features like audio or video entries and cross-platform availability, limiting its use to Apple users only. This app suits users who prefer a straightforward, secure journaling experience, tightly integrated with their Apple devices and services. Comparing Day One and Apple Journal highlights a choice between versatility and simplicity. Day One excels for users wanting multimedia journaling, extensive organization, and access across platforms. It's perfect for those who want to capture every detail, from photos to audio, and organize entries with tags and journals. Apple Journal, on the other hand, shines for users deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem who value privacy, ease of use, and native integration. It offers a streamlined experience but is limited to Apple devices and lacks some advanced features. If you want a powerful, flexible journal and don't mind a subscription, Day One is the better fit. For those seeking a simple, secure app that works flawlessly within Apple's environment, Apple Journal is ideal. Choose Day One if you want a feature-rich multimedia journal that works across devices and offers powerful organization and privacy controls. Apple Journal is the best choice for Apple users who prefer a clean, secure, and integrated journaling experience without extra complexity. Both apps excel in their areas, so pick the one that fits your lifestyle and journaling needs the best.